happy Halloween time in the middle of my favorite holiday, and I wanted to put together this vlog on how to do, you can use it as a centerpiece or as a wreath for your door. Maybe if you're a daycare teacher, whatever it is, for decoration purposes. But here's the best part. It's super inexpensive because you know I'm on that single mom budget. I got the wreath at Hobby Lobby for only $8.99, and then everything else that I'm going to put on it is from the dollar store. You're going to need a glue gun and just a couple of things, but it's super simple. And when it comes down to the wreath, I already spray painted it. I put in a little bit of black, a little bit of orange to give it a that Halloween feel, but I didn't want it to lose its original color, so I didn't go like super hardcore on it. But I'm gonna freestyle this and let's see what it looks like.